Good, yeah?
Yeah, good. Right,
Ting ton up, yeah?
Ton up.
Today, me and Max is going to teach you how to make pepper chicken.
That's right. Tablespoon of all-purpose, go on.
Tablespoon.
Nice. So you done this before?
So we've got ground black pepper. We got browning.
Yeah.
You know the thing set. Browning.
What's this?
Corn flour.
Yeah, man. It's going to give it nice and crispy.
This is how it looks, people. Nice chicken.
How does it smell?
It smells fantastic.
Fry the chicken up, yeah?
Yeah. When it's golden brown, like this, flip over your chicken.
That's right.
Looks perfect. And it's me what made it. In the same pan, we're going to have some garlic. It's got swallowed pepper, onion, carrots, peppers. It's scallions.
Scallion. Jamal, that's looking good. Looking good, yeah?
Yeah, looking good. Yeah.
You got them skills, yeah?
Right,
You got techers like that.
Your vegetables are soft. Adding your chicken stock.
Fresh time.
Fresh thyme. Tomato ketchup.
Look at that. Time to re-enter the chicken.
Guys, look how easy that was.
That looks good, man. You happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy now. We're ready to taste it. Superb.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Well, that is good, man.
They're very tasty. The flavour, perfection.
Perfection. What do you say? Superb?
Yes, superb indeed.